All right, guys, we are working on the KTM 990 2011. We are installing the Rottweiler intake, and we removed all of this right here from the motorcycle, the original airbox, the SAS system, and a charcoal canister. So removing all that saved us a lot of weight, but we also have this empty space right in here. So what we're going to do to fill the space is we're going to install this guy right here. It's about $100 from Rottweiler. It's the dog house storage, and it should fit perfectly in that spot. So we are going to install it. Then we're going to route our stage 3 cables to balance our throttle bodies later, just like that. So let's install this storage space. I'm going to open it up and see what's in the package. Okay, so we are going to open up this dog house storage box and see what is included in this packaging. It's for 990. I'm not sure if it'll fit on a 950, but I thought it was pretty cool with all that extra space that you save from removing the old intake system and the SAS system. This thing is pretty cool. You can keep your wallet, your gloves, whatever, extra beanie in this case. So I think these are hand fabricated, which is really nice. Should be a fairly simple install. Again, what we want to do is install this, and then basically we want to attach our stage 3 tubing so we could balance our throttle body at a later time. So I'm going to throw this on the motorcycle, and let's just quickly install it. So let's see. Should be fairly simple. All right. So 4mm, 10mm. So a 4mm Allen and a 10mm socket to install this. All right, let's put this on the bike. All right, guys, so when you install the Rottweiler intake system, basically you remove that whole stock air box that basically comes out to here. Then you have your SAS system that basically takes up this spacing right here. So once we install the intake, there's this huge space that is unused. So Rottweiler was very creative, and they created this dog house storage box that basically drops right in here. Look at that. It fits perfect, but it's very cool. They actually offer a little bag too that you can buy separately. So in this kit, we have these clamps that we're going to install. The little one basically is going to go right here, and these two long ones on the actual side. It takes a 4mm Allen and a 10mm socket to install these, and it's basically 3 bolts and you're ready to go. This is the install. So what I would recommend is installing this bracket right here first, because if you install these two, it makes it hard to push this back bracket between the frame. So install this guy first and then add these 2 brackets. But as you can see from a bird's eye view is that all the space would have been wasted with the new intake. So now we have some storage space, and it's pretty big, so it's kind of nice. Also, what I like about this is when you do the stage 3, you can route your cables and mount it to here to do your throttle body sync at any time. So what we're going to do now is we're going to basically get a clamp, hook it onto here, and have our hoses just mount to that. But that is the doghouse storage. Very nice. pretty slick, and it's not taking up a lot of room, so it's good quality. Very satisfied, and it looks great. All right, appreciate you watching.